How to fix something went wrong on Instagram Reels. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can solve if Instagram states something went wrong while watching Reels on Instagram. So without any further delay, let's get started with today's video. If you're watching Reels on Instagram and then maybe you got an error that says something went wrong, this could be happening due to multiple reasons. The first is your internet connection. So you simply want to make sure that you're connected to a stable internet connection or mobile data or vice versa. Once you've made sure of that, what we can try to do is we can try to relaunch the Instagram app again to see if that helps you. Now, if you're using Android, you can simply open up your settings. Then you can go ahead and then look for the apps option. Under the apps option, you can simply try to search for Instagram and you will be taken to its app info page. From here, you can simply go to storage and from the bottom, clear the cache files. Now, if you better, then you can also try to clear the data, which will completely reset the application. But remember that you might have to log in again if you do this process. Last but not the least, open up your Play Store or your App Store respectively. In the search bar, go ahead and then simply search for Instagram. Check if the Instagram app has an update, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. After you've done all this, your Instagram Reels should be able to work just fine. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve your problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.